Okay, we're back again for day 19, our last two letters. A pretty easy letter and a little bit more complicated letter, the E and the J. So I'm kind of partial to the letter E because my last name starts with E. The E starts just a little bit below the top line, kind of like we did with the C. It's going to come around to the dotted line, put a loop, then it comes around again, and then just reaches out. But what you need to notice is how this bottom part kind of sticks out more than the top part, okay? So a little bit below the top line, to the middle line, make a loop, and then come out, and then just reach out. That's the capital E. Okay, when you're finished making your row of capital E's in just a moment, go back and look at those, see which one you think is your best, and circle it. Okay, go ahead and practice this row of capital E and circle your best one. Okay, let's make a capital J. Capital J is a little bit more complicated. Capital J starts at the bottom line. It's kind of like when you made your I and we had to curve around backwards. You're going to curve around this way, touch the top, come down and drop into the basement. Then you're going to loop around this way and put a loop right there, and then that loop's going to come on and reach up to the dotted line. So you see that this part of the J takes up all the way from the top all the way to the bottom, and then the bottom loop is in the downstairs. So we're going to start at the bottom line. We're going to loop around, drop straight down into the basement, curve around this way, touch at the line, and then come on through. Okay, after you make your row of J's in just a moment, then go back and look, find the one that you think is your best, and circle it. And I know a lot of you are thinking, well, that looks like a lowercase g. It kind of does look like a lowercase g, but you make it a little bit differently because it starts at the bottom line. Okay, practice your capital J. Alright, let's practice writing some words with a capital E. Well, we'll just do my last name. We'll just do Irwin. So we're going to start a little bit below the top line. Irwin. You've got that tricky connection there between the W and the I. Okay, you can pause this video and practice writing the word Irwin. Okay, we can also write the name Ernie. E-R-N-I-E. Okay. Pause and practice writing the name Ernie. Now we'll write a name that starts with J, and since Jared has been helping me video and make these videos for YouTube, we'll write his name. So we're going to start at the bottom line. We're going to curve up and touch the top, come back down, J. We're going to come right here and make ourselves come around, R, E, D, J, A, R, E, D. And you can think of some other words that start with J and that start with E to practice. So you've learned all of the letters now. So now you can practice really any words you want to. You can always go back and look at these videos to review. If you forget how to make something, you can go back and just watch a particular video to see how to make it. Okay, tomorrow on our last video, day 20, I'm going to show you how to write some sentences, and hopefully you'll be ready to start writing in cursive all the time.